Shanghai Sturdy Armor New Material Technology Company Limited is located in Songjiang, industrial zone of Shanghai. We are a high-tech enterprise composed of doctors and masters, which can provide R&D and customization services for tactical vest. After 6 years of research and development of high-performance UHMWPE and aramid materials, our products have obtained 8 patent certificates. These materials can be processed into helmet, plate carrier, tactical vest, and stab-proof clothing. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced professional teams are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure most customers' satisfaction. What's more, our products have passed the NIJ tests, including camouflage clothing, tactical vest, and other tactical gear. We have professional testing equipment that can provide product testing. Thanks to the strict quality requirements of the workshop and fast delivery service, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, Sturdy Armor products are also exported to clients in many countries and regions, such as North America, Europe, the Middle East. Sturdy Armor Company and Donghua University have established a long-term cooperative R&D relationship and focused on tactical gear to create a new security, technology, fashion protection experience. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or having customized requirements, you can talk to us about your sourcing requirements.